Can you imagine the future of submarines designed not by humans but by artificial intelligence? Fascinating, isn't it? Welcome to the age of AI, where human ingenuity meets machine learning, creating a synergy that is revolutionizing the world as we know it. Nowhere is this more evident than in the field of engineering, where AI is playing an increasingly critical role. From designing skyscrapers to planning city infrastructure, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool. But today, let's dive a little deeper. Let's submerge ourselves in the world of naval engineering, and more specifically, the intriguing realm of submarine technology. Submarines have come a long way since their inception. From the hand-cranked wooden vessels of the 17th century to the nuclear-powered behemoths of today, the evolution of submarines is a testament to human innovation. But the future of submarine technology might not be solely in human hands anymore. AI is poised to take the helm, bringing with it the potential to revolutionize naval architecture and marine engineering. This isn't about replacing human expertise, but about enhancing it. Imagine submarines optimized for efficiency and stealth. Their shapes designed by AI algorithms that can analyze countless variables and come up with the most effective design. Picture AI selecting materials for strength and durability under extreme pressures, something that humans might overlook or misjudge. Then there are propulsion systems. What could AI conceive to enhance speed and maneuverability in a way that humans haven't yet thought of? The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself, and it's not just about designing submarines. AI could play a major role in their operation too. Fully autonomous submarines capable of making real-time decisions in complex underwater environments. Think of the potential for surveillance, research, and even rescue missions. But as with any groundbreaking technology, there are questions to be asked, ethical considerations to be discussed, and safety protocols to be established. As we delve into the depths of AI in naval engineering, we'll explore these issues and more. The future holds intriguing possibilities for submarines designed by AI. Join us as we embark on this fascinating journey. AI's potential in crafting the submarines of the future is indeed immense. Imagine a world where the shape of a submarine isn't dictated by the limitations of human ingenuity, but instead sculpted by the boundless capacity of artificial intelligence. The streamlined forms, the optimized contours, all meticulously crafted by AI to maximize efficiency and stealth. AI does not stop at shapes, though. It dives deeper into the very fabric of the submarine, the material selection. As the submarine plunges into the depths, it contends with the crushing pressures of the deep sea. AI can guide the choice of materials, seeking out those that offer the greatest strength and durability under such extreme conditions. The result? Submarines that can dive deeper and endure longer. But what about movement? How can a submarine navigate the vast, unpredictable expanses of the ocean? Again, AI comes to the rescue. By exploring AI-generated propulsion systems, we can enhance both speed and maneuverability. AI can analyze countless variables, from ocean currents to fuel efficiency, to design propulsion systems that are both powerful and agile. Let's not forget, AI doesn't just design these elements in isolation. It considers how they all work together as a unified whole. The shape, the materials, the propulsion, they're all parts of a larger puzzle. And AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and identify complex patterns, is uniquely equipped to solve this puzzle. In essence, AI is not just a tool but a visionary architect, capable of redefining the very nature of submarine design. It takes into account factors that humans might overlook and comes up with solutions that we might never dream of. It's not just about building better submarines, but about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI is poised to redefine submarine design with a focus on efficiency, strength, and maneuverability. The submarines of the future won't just be products of human ingenuity. They'll be the offspring of a symbiotic partnership between humans and artificial intelligence, a testament to the power of this extraordinary collaboration. The realm of autonomous submarines is not a distant dream, but a near reality. We're on the cusp of a new era where artificial intelligence is drastically reshaping naval operations, making unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, a tangible prospect. Imagine this, a submarine without a human crew on board exploring the depths of the ocean, conducting surveillance, or engaging in rescue missions. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a promising application of AI in naval engineering. Fully autonomous submarines offer vast potential in a range of operations. For surveillance, these vessels can discreetly navigate beneath the ocean surface, gathering crucial data while evading detection. In research, UUVs can explore areas of the ocean that are too deep or hazardous for human-crewed vehicles, and in the event of a disaster, autonomous submarines can perform rescue operations, reaching survivors in conditions that might be too dangerous for human rescue teams. But how does AI fit into this picture? Well, AI is essentially the brain of these autonomous submarines. It allows the submarine to make real-time decisions based on the data it collects. Whether it's avoiding an obstacle, adjusting its course, or choosing the optimal speed for energy efficiency, AI can process a multitude of data points to make these decisions faster and more accurately than a human ever could. However, the integration of AI in UUVs also raises important ethical considerations. Unmanned vehicles operating in complex underwater environments need to adhere to safety protocols to prevent accidents. There's also the question of accountability. If an autonomous submarine were to cause damage, who would be held responsible? The manufacturer, the operator, or the AI itself? These are issues that need to be addressed as we move towards a future of autonomous submarine operations. But regardless of these challenges, one thing is clear. The convergence of AI and naval engineering is set to transform the way we explore and operate in the world's oceans. Autonomous submarines powered by AI are set to revolutionize underwater operations. AI's role extends beyond design and operations. It also promises to enhance our understanding of the oceans. Enter the realm of environmental monitoring and ocean exploration, a fascinating frontier where artificial intelligence is taking center stage. AI is not only about creating efficient and stealthy submarines, but it's also about understanding what lies beneath the surface of our vast oceans. Deep-sea exploration is a challenging endeavor. The ocean's depths are filled with uncharted territories, and the extreme conditions make human exploration difficult. AI can help us navigate these depths, mapping the unknown and uncovering the mysteries of the deep. With AI-enabled submarines, we can explore further and deeper, reaching places previously inaccessible to us. But exploration is just one part of the story. The oceans are a barometer for our planet's health, and AI plays a crucial role in monitoring this. Artificial intelligence can process vast amounts of data from multiple sources, giving us a comprehensive view of the ocean's health. This includes tracking climate change effects such as rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification, which are critical for understanding our impact on the environment. Furthermore, the biodiversity of our oceans is staggering, yet largely unexplored. AI can help us catalog and monitor marine life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest marine mammals. This not only helps us understand the intricate web of life beneath the waves, but also aids in the conservation of endangered species. The potential for AI-enabled submarines to conduct long-term underwater research missions autonomously is significant. These submarines could stay submerged for months, even years, collecting data and sending real-time updates about changing ocean conditions and marine life behaviors. This would provide us with an unprecedented level of detail and insight into the underwater world. In essence, AI-powered submarines could become our eyes in the deep, exploring and monitoring the world beneath the waves. They can help us understand the health of our oceans, the effects of climate change, and the incredible biodiversity that exists below the surface. With AI, we can move towards a future where we not only traverse the ocean depths, but also protect and preserve them. AI-powered submarines could become our eyes in the deep, exploring and monitoring the world beneath the waves. AI can also transform how we communicate and analyze data underwater. Imagine the depths of the ocean, where light is scarce and traditional communication methods are often rendered useless. This is a realm where sound waves reign supreme, and where AI is stepping in to pioneer new modes of contact. Innovations in underwater communication systems are being driven by AI, creating a sea change in how submarines, autonomous or otherwise, interact with each other and with their home bases. These AI-powered systems go beyond the simple transmission of messages. They're capable of interpreting and responding to a wide range of signals, from the subtle shifts in water temperature that might indicate a change in current, to the complex sonar echoes that could reveal the presence of a previously undiscovered geological formation, or even a hidden enemy vessel. But it's not just about communication. AI is also playing an increasingly vital role in processing and analyzing the vast amounts of data collected during oceanic expeditions. From mapping the seafloor to monitoring marine biodiversity and tracking the effects of climate change, AI systems are helping to make sense of a world that is largely unknown to us. Consider the sheer volume of data that a single submarine expedition can generate. Without AI, it could take years for human researchers to sift through that information. But with AI, we can process and analyze this data in real time, uncovering patterns and insights that would otherwise remain hidden. This real-time data analysis can have a profound impact on marine science and global environmental policies. By providing a more complete and timely picture of the ocean's health, AI can help us make more informed decisions about how to protect and sustain our planet's most precious resource. And so as we delve deeper into the ocean's mysteries, AI stands at the helm, guiding our way through uncharted waters, making connections where none were apparent, and bringing us closer to understanding the vast, complex ecosystem that exists beneath the surface. AI is set to revolutionize underwater communication and data analysis, offering unprecedented insights into our oceans. The future of submarines is not just about AI, but also about collaboration between humans and AI. As we navigate through the depths of the ocean, the importance of human-AI collaboration in submarine operations becomes crystal clear. The future isn't about replacing the human crew with machines, but rather it's about harnessing the power of technology to augment human capabilities. AI-assisted submarines could offer a symbiotic relationship where humans and AI work together, each contributing their unique strengths. Humans bring their instinctive decision-making and adaptive problem-solving skills to the table, while AI offers precision, consistency, and the ability to process vast amounts of data in real time. However, this collaboration is not without its challenges. Training humans to work alongside AI systems can be a daunting task. It's not just about understanding the technology. It's about learning to trust the system, to rely on it, and to work in harmony with it. This requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to continuous learning. Interfacing between humans and AI is another hurdle. Creating intuitive, user-friendly interfaces that allow seamless interaction is crucial. This is where the fields of human-computer interaction and user experience design come into play. Despite these challenges, there have been successful human-AI collaborations in the marine domain. For instance, consider the use of autonomous underwater vehicles in deep-sea exploration. These AI-powered machines have been used to map the ocean floor, collect data, and even discover new marine species, all while being remotely operated by human researchers. Or take the example of modern naval warfare, where AI systems are used to detect and classify underwater threats, allowing human operators to make informed decisions in real time. These case studies serve as a testament to the potential of human-AI collaboration in submarine operations. Indeed, the integration of AI in submarines is not just about designing better machines, but about creating a partnership that can achieve more than either could alone. Effective collaboration between humans and AI could unlock new possibilities in submarine operations. As with any technological advancement, AI in submarines also brings its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. The development of artificial intelligence for underwater use is a technically challenging endeavor. The underwater environment is harsh, unpredictable, and fraught with obstacles that can disrupt even the most sophisticated AI systems. Submarines must navigate in 3 dimensions, avoid obstacles, and operate in conditions of low visibility and high pressure. These factors pose significant challenges to the AI's ability to make accurate real-time decisions. The materialization of AI in submarines also raises important ethical considerations. How do we ensure that autonomous submarines operate ethically in their interactions with marine life and the environment? How can we prevent the misuse of AI technology for destructive purposes, such as unauthorized surveillance or warfare? These questions require careful thought and robust regulatory frameworks to ensure that the benefits of AI outweigh its potential harms. Security is another significant challenge. As AI becomes a key component of naval operations, submarines are increasingly becoming targets for cyber attacks. An attack on an AI-operated submarine could lead to significant consequences, including the loss of the vessel, damage to the environment, or even an escalation of international conflict. Therefore, it is crucial to develop robust cybersecurity measures to protect these machines. Furthermore, the use of AI in submarines can lead to a reduced human presence in these vessels. This raises questions about the potential loss of jobs and the need to retrain naval personnel to work alongside AI. It also brings up concerns about the emotional and psychological impact of AI technology on human operators. In summary, while AI holds great potential for revolutionizing submarine technology, It also presents significant challenges and ethical considerations that must be addressed. These include technical issues related to operating in harsh underwater conditions, ethical concerns about the impact on marine life and the potential misuse of technology, security risks from cyber attacks, and the social implications of reduced human involvement. Addressing these challenges and considerations is crucial for the successful integration of AI in submarines. So, what does the future hold for AI-designed submarines? As we peer into the looking glass of possibility, we see a vision of submarines that are sleeker, faster, and more efficient, thanks to the next generation of AI-driven design innovations. These underwater vessels of the future might harness new energy sources, like nuclear fusion or renewable energies, for power. Imagine submarines that can operate for years without needing to refuel, their silent engines leaving barely a ripple on the ocean's surface. But this future isn't something we can achieve alone. It will require global cooperation with nations pooling their resources and expertise to advance submarine technology for peaceful and environmental purposes. Together, we can navigate the challenges that lie ahead and unlock the incredible potential of AI-designed submarines. The future of submarines powered by AI promises to be as exciting as it is challenging. And we can't wait to see how this story unfolds.